In this tutorial, I want to be teaching you how to design a simple Holy Communion flyer for your church. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you do is you have to double click on this rectangle tool to create the frame here. So when you double click, you see you create this frame. And let's remove the outline from here. These are the images we're going to be using, just 2 images. So let's take this up. This image, we're going to be using this image. Let's flip it this way. Okay, and let's use our transparency tool to create a transparency this side. That's too much. Let's take this down a bit. Yeah, that's okay. So we're going to create a black background, a black color here. Yeah, so that it can fade in. Okay, now let's change the color. Let's pick a color from here. Click it here. Yes, that's okay. So we're going to do the same with the top. Now once you have done this, you must come to bitmaps here, convert it to bitmap. Okay, let's leave it at 100. You must ensure that it is RGB color. Then you click OK. Yes, then let's do the top again. Yeah, that's okay, that's fine. Let's convert this to bitmap. That's okay, that's beautiful. We can even increase this a bit. Alright, so let's right click inside. You see power clip inside. You click it and then you just click inside. Now you see this is what we've gotten. This fine background here. Now let's start picking our contents. The logo first. Let's just drop it somewhere here. And the name of the church too. You can just pick the text, the font style. Look at it here, Montserrat. So let's change this to white color. Yes. So let's centralize it. You click the name of the church, you press shift, then press the border here. You have to select both, then you just click C, alphabet C. Now you see it's in the middle. Then join us this Sunday can also come down here, place it at the middle too. Then we have to change this color to white. Yes, that's good. So let's take it up a bit. Now we can now type in Holy Communion Service. Yes, that's good. Let's change this font, this Mongolian. Yeah, that's a good font. So let's use the shape tool. Let's take it up a bit. Then we can drop this here. It doesn't matter if it's at the top. It doesn't matter. Let's give it a white color. Yes. Let's give it an outline. You press F12 to bring up the dialog box for your outline. Place this behind. Then you can, where you see hairline, increase it to at least something visible. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. So I can sit on the text on the background very well. That's good. Holy Communion. Okay, that's fine. Now let's create a box here. Let's just create a box here, and let's make it white. Remove the outline. Here we're going to place our address and then the name of the pastors and other sensitive information will be there. So let's create a box. We need to add up the date and time. Okay, yeah, this is fine here. This is fine here. Let's make it white for now. Let's make it white. we're going to create something special here using this particular tone paper. So let's use our trace bitmap. Go to trace outline, then use line art. Now you see that's removed the background. Yeah, we can work with this. You drag it one side, then you can delete this. We don't have use for that. So let's increase this. Let's flip this. Alright, so now we want to cut out this pattern, this tone paper from the main paper. So you select the tone paper, you select the small rectangle you've created, then you come here and say trim or cut proportion. You trim the portion, then you can delete this. Now you see what we have achieved here. You see this is cool. So you can expand this. Yeah, this is beautiful. So let's give it, then you can pick your time, 9 AM, take it to the top, press Ctrl page up to bring it up, place it at the middle. Then we can copy this again, we drag it to this other side. This we can flip it this way too, and this date can come, this date and time, and you take it Control page up, bring it to the top, the middle. Yes, that's fine. This we can change this color to this. All right, or better still, let's leave all this as white. Let's leave it white, and this can be black. Yeah, I think that's better. See, our design is coming out. So this, we can take this to this other side here. Control page up. Yes, that's good. Then you can write up with this you can okay, this go ahead, pasta. So this is cool. Reduce the font size, and let's change the font size to Montserrat. Can still reduce this. This one is too big. Yeah, that's good. So this we can, you reduce this with your shape tool. We're going to cut off this width. We're going to use a different font style for it. Place it here. Let's go down and pick this font here, signature, obey signature. We pick it, we drop it somewhere here. This can go down. Yes, so this we can give it color. Yeah, that's fine. Yes, so this can go up a bit. Voila. Now you see, it's as simple as that.